Hi guys, how to play Roblox on PC. Now open the Microsoft Store on your laptop or PC, search for Roblox, download the app, and log into your account. Using the Microsoft Store version is actually faster than downloading from the website. Browse the game's library, click on the game you want to play, and press the green play button to launch it. This is where most new players get stuck waiting, so be patient while it loads. Use the WASD keys or the arrow keys on your keyboard to walk around. Quick cheat sheet: W forward, S backward, A left, D right. Practice this for 10 seconds and you'll never get lost again. Click and hold the right mouse button while dragging your mouse around to change the camera view. This is the secret to looking in any direction. Keep watching because the next step shows you how to combine movement and camera for advanced gameplay. Press the spacebar to jump. Super simple but easy to forget in the middle of a game. You can also use the number keys, 1, 2, 3, etc., or assigned action keys like F to equip items from your hotbar slot. Master these controls and you'll already move better than half the players.